Have you ever needed to tell everyone some big news? The word announce is perfect for this. Let's learn how to use it. Announce means to make something known to the public or tell people officially about it. It's used when you want everyone to hear your message. Many learners confuse announce with tell or say. But announce is more formal and public, not for private conversations. Common patterns are announce something, announce to someone, and announce that plus sentence. For example, she announced the winner. The company announced a new product today. He announced to the class that the test was cancelled. They announced their engagement last week. Anna waited nervously to announce her big decision. When she finally said it loud, everyone cheered. She was so happy to share her news. Think of a loudspeaker announcing news to many people. The word announce sounds like announce, making a noise for all to hear. Now you know how to use announce. Try using it today and tell someone your own news.